So it is not uncommon for us to see neurological issues. Oftentimes, we'll see patients, by the time they see us, they may have had a diagnosis of Parkinson's or MS or even ALS, which is pretty end stage at that point because it truly affects the nervous system. So you'll see numbness and tingling and brain fog and the inability to walk really well, or you'll trip over your feet. Part of that happens because the brain's being inflamed, and then it damages what we call the myelin. So myelin is the protective coating over the nerves. So if you think of an electrical wire, you have the plastic coating over your live wires. If the myelin starts to get stripped away, those live wires are exposed and then they start to become inflamed, and that's what causes your neurological symptoms. If we can get rid of the toxins that stripped away that myelin to begin with, there are ways that we can rebuild the myelin, put that protective coating back over the nerves so the nervous system isn't so much on fire and isn't causing a lot of symptoms for people.